Hello everyone. Have you noticed that when we are changing the filter in a pivot table, the column adjusts automatically? This is pretty frustrating as we have to resize the columns manually. But don't worry, there is an easy fix for this. Click anywhere inside your pivot table, right click and select Pivot Table Options. In the Pivot Table Options dialog box, uncheck the checkbox with label AutoFit column widths on update. Click OK. Now when you change the filter, the column width will stay exactly the same as you set them. If the tip was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to hear what you think, so leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.